How to fix TikTok not opening in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, then firstly open your App Store and then search here TikTok. Now check your TikTok updates. Now click on TikTok. If your TikTok have any update, then here you can see the update option. Then update your TikTok. After update your TikTok, then go back to your home screen and open settings and click on general and then click on iPhone storage. Now scroll down and click on TikTok. Now here you can offload your TikTok app and reinstall app. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.